I will get TryHackMe at here. I got some lab. I'm showing the lab because to clear your concept about this directory fuzzing. Go to the hacking your first machine. Just sign up with the TryHackMe. Okay, I'll guide you how you can check it. Just sign up with the TryHackMe. Go to the learn. In the learn, here you can see the junior pen tester or whatever you will go for it. And after that, go to the intro to offensive security.
I sign with my personal email or my work email.
No, you can sign in with your personal work, whatever you want. There's no issues. Okay.
I'll just try my personal.
And this is hacking your first machine. And click on a start machine.
Just tell me that I'm registering.
Okay, it's open now in your machine.
Still loading.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Around 95%, 97, 100. Okay, it's loaded.
Okay. Now you can see here, this is your fakebank.com. Okay. Now in the fakebank.com, what we are doing, we are finding the directories. Okay. Now at here, this is the command you can use, the same command we already used. Now you can see the wordlist.txt in the desktop. That's why they are directly put the wordlist.txt. But in our case, we don't have the wordlist.txt in the desktop. We have to go /user /share /dirtbuster and /wordlist. Okay, but this is a machine. That's why the word list are placed in the desktop. So what should I do? Simple. The command will be the same. You can use gobuster.
Gobuster.
/u http //bank.com. Okay. Now, as per I told you, if you have a admin, then put the admin here. If you have a admin, okay, because most of the people are doing Dubbuster, GoBuster only in the base URL, but you have to do the Dubbuster, GoBuster base URL as well as the admin URL, as well as any type of critical URL, not only in the admin, any type of critical URL you think. Okay. Now,
all right.
Right now, I'm not putting the admin here because this machine are using only base URL. Okay, and -w wordlist.txt and dir for the last command. Dir, it means directory listing.
Directory listing.
Okay, now you can see we got a bank transfer. Okay, we got this one. I will copy this. Go to the URL and paste here. Hit enter. Now you can see admin portal. Right now, they didn't ask me about any type of username and password. Okay, they didn't ask. Okay, it means they easily access to the admin portal to transfer the money to one account to many account. Okay, now you can see here send from to, and this is a basically happening because of the permission management. Okay, because the server person who are not able to perform the security controls, so they are not aware on this. Now, after that, I will scroll down here. They said transfer $2,000 from bank account 2276 to your bank account 8881. Now send from 2276, okay, and to my account 8881, and I'm just transferring more than 2000 as well, whatever I want. Click on send money. You can see successfully transfer. Okay, now return to your account. Now you can see my account is in plus, not in minus, and the bank will be transfer the money easily. Okay, that's it is happened. It means the sensitive directory will able to access any type of directory which is not able to use in publicly. Okay, so in here they are not give me any type of username, admin and password, but still I will able to transfer the money. Okay, now this is simple lab you can do to clear your like doubts about directory listing. I hope the doubt is clear. Now I will close it.